A new study led by the Icahn School of Medicine at Mount Sinai reveals that women with atrial fibrillation, AF, undergoing a procedure called pulsed field ablation, PFA, have outcomes comparable to men with AF undergoing the same procedure. The research is the first to compare sex outcomes for AF patients undergoing PFA, which is a new technology that restores a regular heartbeat. The results show that PFA is safe and effective for both men and women. PFA is a catheter procedure that uses short, high-energy electrical pulses to target cardiac cells, making it more precise and safer than traditional methods. The study analyzed 1,568 patients, finding no significant difference in recurring atrial arrhythmia between men and women. The research suggests that PFA can provide benefits to both men and women with AF, with low complication rates.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great content.